For he has done so very much for me. What shall I render unto Jehovah?
Great announcement. Great. Great TUC. Great rivers workers. Great rivers workers. Great people
The impolitical impasse in Rivers State. Overheard what happened when the president walked in with the paper and take side with the faction of His Excellency, the Federal Capital Minister, Wike. The president took side against Rivers people. Rivers people voted massively for similar Joseph FUBARA. They voted for him because they have confidence in him. They believed in him. And so Rivers people have come out to visit Mr. President, that decision you took. It's not correct. We reject it in its entirety. That's why we're here today. Secondly, we also seen a signal to Mr. President to understand that Rivers State is one of the economic hub of this country. And therefore the president should not play with Rivers State. The president should allow the governor of Rivers State, whom was elected, to man the affairs of this state, to bring infrastructure, to bring development, to bring prosperity to Rivers people. He has given us a week free estimates and let me so face the job. But the sweetest thing about this, what happened today, is that Rivers people are collectively saying, Mr. President, if you don't sack the minister, honorable minister of electricity, will occupy all the oil facilities in this country, Rivers State. We occupy the international airport. We occupy the oil and gas prison. We occupy Shell complex and facilities. We occupy Ajib complex and facilities. We occupy NLNG complex and facilities. We occupy all the market, the East-West Road, oil and gas. We occupy them peacefully in a peaceful protest against what the Mr. President and Mr. Wike is doing to the people. And with that program, we start on the 1st of January till 31st. And we're also saying, if those sacked as assembly people have been sacked, if by any means they decide to sit anywhere in Rivers State and outside Rivers State, occupy the House Assembly quarters permanently.
To see that reinstate, even okay, you just imagine I'm working somewhere and I resign with my clear senses, and you come back to tell me that I should reinstate this person that resigned. No, now look at it. Because for me, if any commissioner is coming back, every commissioner should go for a psychiatric test because they all left with their head intact.
The Congress in session equally will not hesitate to explore all necessary measures to protect, promote, and defend the interests of Rivers State workers and the people as being championed by Your Excellency in the event that the political actors fail to guarantee the political stability of the state. We state that an attack on His Excellency, Sir Similar FUBARA, is an attack on the entire workers of Rivers State.
We are assuring him that the entire community development committee members across all the villages in Rivers State are behind him. He has been voted in and he must perform his constitutional functions. No man should intimidate him. No man should, because of their personal interest, try to destabilize the government of Sin FUBARA of Rivers State. We want peace in Rivers State.
Is this solidarity march a fallout of the meeting in Abuja?
The solidarity is also the fallout of the crisis and the purported agreement entered into at the presidency. The presidency has no right to dictate conditions that the state government has to run to suit a particular group of individuals. The Rivers State people say no to such an agreement.